Hello dear students, I hope all of you are doing well. So in your previous video we finished starting lesson number 4 and we did with all the exercises too. I hope all of you have got those things and you understood those things. Today in this session we will try to discuss a new lesson, that is lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 topic is question tags. Question tags means what? Let us try to understand about this one. It's given here, defining a question tag means understanding the meaning of the question tag. Okay, what is the meaning of this question tag? We will try to know about. Okay, so you see here it is given. After making a statement, a small question is added at the end of it. That is called question tag. It is written here. It is called question tag. So whenever you make a statement and after, at last you fix or you tag a question, a small question is added. It is added to the last. For example, in Odia, if we speak, suppose you say, "Tu aji market jai nothilu." Tu aji market jaithilu. Okay, tu aji market jaithilu. Jai nothilu? Bole ame pacharibu. Bele bele we ask in this way. It's not so. Sometimes we ask in this way. Tote mu aji market re dekhili. Dekhi nothili? Like that way, we can add one extra question to the statement that we speak. The statement tells that the statement will be spoken first, and later on, one small question is added towards the end of that statement. And that type of added question is called a tag question or an added question. Okay, tag means nothing but to add. All of you know, you are tagging your friends in your Facebook and in your other social media, etc. Okay, so similarly, this is nothing but adding some extra question to a statement in order to confirm that one. Why these tag questions are asked? Generally to get a confirmation or agreement of the person about whom you are asking the question. Okay, so you please try to see here. It is written everything clearly. Now look at these sentences. If you look at this question, you can easily understand. Meena has written the best essay. Okay, Meena has written the best essay. This is the statement part. And after that one, so what you are adding? You are adding a small question here. So that is, has not she? So you see, this become the tag question. This part is called the question tag or the tag question. Got it? Now, you see the next one. We all are proud of her, are not we? We are all are proud of her, are not we? So this are not we becomes the tag question. So just as I told you in the example in Oriya, very often, tu bhato khailu, khainu? Okay. Tu aji school gollu, tu golluni, jai nothilu? Like that type of questions we ask in our day-to-day conversation with our friends and family. Is not so? ତମେ ମୋତେ ଏଇଟା ଦେଲନି ଆଣିଦେଲ, like that type of thing you are asking, is not so? So that type of questions are called the tag question. So when you give a statement and after that one you are adding something there, that becomes the tag question. I hope all of you are getting the concept of this tag question properly. Now look at the next one. You see this some important things that we have to know about the tag question are given here. All of you please open your book and try to read with me. Without reading you cannot understand. So please even after finishing of this session also you please try to read it once again, revise it, so that any problem is there you can keep it aside and you can ask me in the live online class, that is through our Google Meet. As we are having this online classes, by the time you can ask me your doubt and difficulties. Okay, now let us try to see this one, this paragraph. It is written here. Each of these sentences has two parts. So generally this question tags will have two parts. One is your statement part, another is your written with the best essay. Okay, so this one is your statement part. Here it is written, see, Meena has written the best essay is the statement part. Okay, and a short question is there. the question part. That is called the tag question. The short question has been tagged to the statement, so it is called as question tag. Okay, everything is explained here clearly. Such question is asked to seek agreement. Why is such questions asked is given here? It is asked to seek the agreement in order to get it confirmation, get the confirmation about that one. We generally put a tag question there. As I told you in ODIA, to aji market jaithilu, jainothilu, that means we are trying to get his consent, to whom we are asking the question. Okay, Gopalo, tu aji market jaithilu, jainothilu. ओके आम जब एमती पचारा ताले गोपाल हाँ कि ना तार निश्चित भाव में तार जवाब दब आम जापर इन द सेम वे इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज दिस आर ऑल लैंग्वेज इज नॉट सो दे आर क्लोजली रिलेटेड विथ रिलेटेड to one another. So Odia language is similar to this English language, and these are the way of expressing our thought and ideas. It's not so. So they are all having similarity. So this tag question is asked in Odia too, and Telugu too, and everywhere. All sort of language, all type of language will have this type of question tag sentences or statements. Okay, so you can think in that way also in your own mother tongue, and you can know about the tag questions properly. Now let us see some of the rule and regulation that are associated with formation of the question tag. What things should be done there? Let us try to read about them. Okay, take the sentences. Meena has written the best essay for the essay competition. Has not she? Is written. This example is given. Next, number 1. The question tag consists of only 2 words. Generally, the question tags will have only 2 words. That is, has not she. It has the same subject as the statement. She. We can use a pronoun of this same person of this as this subject. Okay. So what this in the second part. This subject is meant understood easily. Was not she. That means this she is the subject here. Okay. So the subject will be understood from there. Are not you, then did not you, or will not you, like that type of thing. Wherever you are asking, the subject may also be found there automatically. Okay. Now look at one part is the statement part, another part is your question part. In the question part also, you will get a subject. Okay, that is what. Next, you look at the second point. The tense remains the same. You should not change the tense of this one. Okay, whichever tense is the statement, in the same tense, the tag question will also be stay. Okay, read the following sentences now to get a better idea. You can see. Now look at here. Prakriti is clever. Prakriti is clever. Then how you can make it? Prakriti is clever. Is not she. Then you see here. Then similarly, Prakriti is not clever. Prakriti is not clever. Is she? You are asking. So Pramod can run fast. Can't he? Okay. Pramod cannot run fast. Can he? Like that way, all these things are given. You read all these examples for yourself, and you can read. You can understand. Now let us see explanation for this one. Therefore, question tags are formed by adding certain words. What words are added there? Yeah, that are what? Is not she, is she, cannot he, can he, does not she, and does not see, like that type of things. So you can notice all these are, this is not she, is she, all they are called. So you see once again here very important is here. Okay. So is not she, cannot he, does not see, etc. are called the negative tags, and the negative tags are used for positive statement. This is very necessary thing for you to know about. It is given towards the last of your page. Don't forget to read. Don't skip over this one. Okay, so the negative tags are added to the positive statement. If you are speaking a positive statement, then you must have to add a negative tag. You look at here Prakriti is clever. Prakriti is clever. It's a positive statement and you are adding a negative tag here, is not she. And you see, is a negative sentence. Prakriti is not clever. There is not is given in negative sense, or statement is negative, but there you are adding a positive tag. I think all of you are getting it. So please try to go on learning about this one. Okay, now see, you see the same thing is given once again. Here it is given the remaining thing. A positive tag is all these positive tags and that are applied after the negative sentences or negative statements. Okay, then you see some other things. Affirmative statements have negative tags. If affirmative means what? They are all positive statement. Affirmative means nothing but positive. Positive statement will have negative tags and vice versa. Vice versa means what? Just the opposite. That means what? Affirmative statement will have negative tags and negative statement will have affirmative tags or positive tags. That is what vice versa means. What? This is just the opposite. So if it is negative statement is given, you have to add a positive statement and a positive tag, and if it is a positive statement is there, then you have to add a negative tag, like that. Okay, next, auxiliaries are repeated. So whatever auxiliary means what? Helping verb. What that one? Your is, are, will, has, can, could, all these are will be repeated there. Next, for main verbs we can use do, does, etc. So all these are given here for the main verb. Suppose we eat rice. I have written here. You can see it is a main verb. We eat rice. Rice I have written. Okay. So don't we have to add that type of thing. Do, does, did, etc. can be used here because there is no auxiliary verb or helping verb is not there, only the main verb are given in this statement. Then we can use the extra this do, does, did, etc. from our one side. Okay, he goes to school. Okay, suppose you make a sentence statement, he goes to school. Does not he? Okay, like that you can make. For the third person we can use does. Okay, next, look at number 4. We usually use shortened or contracted form of the negative. What? Is, isn't, can't, doesn't, like that type of thing. They are called the contracted form of the negative tags. So please try to think about this one. These are, we generally write is not, but instead of is not, we will write isn't. That is called the contracted form of the question tag. So please try to follow this rule carefully. Now, certain tags expect responses and certain do not anticipate response. Some of the tags that will be answered immediately, but some of them will remain unanswered. Okay, no need to worry about this one. There is no need of understanding this one. Okay, only the 4 important points notes should be kept in your mind. Okay, now look at the next one. Read for some more example. Some more examples are given. Let us try to discuss about. Gopal is a bright student. So Gopal is a bright student is given. So it is given a positive statement. We are adding a negative tag there, question tag there. Is not he. Okay, and similarly you can see the next one. I am older than you. Are not I is given. So you can make are not I or am I not, like that. But one important thing is given here. Am not I should not be used, is not used. It's a language. So how the people are using, we have to follow their way of using the words and sentences. Okay, we cannot make it on the cut and dried rule and regulation. We cannot apply that type of this solid rule and regulation. Okay, so we have to follow the way the people speak about something. So instead of that am not I, we can use are not I, or should be are not I should be used. So that is why it is given there. Are not I should be used. So please try to keep this factual rule in your memory. Next, Shakil drives smoothly. Does not he? Shakil drives smoothly is given. So we are applying the Shakil drives. Drives is a main verb. So we are applying this does here. Does not he? Okay. Similarly, you can read the other one also. They cannot swim is given. Cannot is given. This is an auxiliary verb is given. So you can make that one. Cannot swim. Can they? It is not very old. Not very old. Okay. So is given this auxiliary verb. Is it we are making. So he does not tell lies. So does is used as an auxiliary verb here. So does he, like that way we are using. So if you read all this one, it is easy to understand. So negative statement will have positive tag, and positive statement will have negative tags. And all of you, please try to do with your exercises as far as possible. Try to go on doing, and whichever is difficult for you, you keep it aside. In the next session, I will tell out the answers for your one understanding. Okay. So thank you very much today for listening everything.